The world's first smart 40 watts laser cutter and engraver for woodworking on Kickstarter, likely referring to the Algo Laser Delta 40, has garnered attention for its features and capabilities. Here's a breakdown to help you assess its potential. Promising aspects: high power and cutting thickness times 40 watts laser power allows for cutting up to 50 mm wood, opening up possibilities for thicker projects. Large engraving area times 180,000 mm2 engraving area provides ample space for various designs and projects. Colorful stainless steel engraving. This unique feature enables colorful engraving on stainless steel, potentially expanding creative possibilities. Smart features: interactive screen operation, offline control, and dust collection system suggest user-friendliness and convenience. Powerful motherboard. The Algo Laser Dual CPU quad-core drives a powerful motherboard with 8 MB RAM, 16 MB memory, and built-in 32 GB SD card, which elevates the file uploading speed nearly 200%. Both Algo Laser and Smart accessories support online OTA upgrades, allowing you to use the latest firmware version of the system at any time. When the I/O port is connected to the Smart Hub, Delta can be used simultaneously with other accessories. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Algo Laser. Pros: high power and cutting thickness, large engraving area, offline control, interactive screen, colorful stainless steel engraving. Early bird pricing. Cons: limited reviews and user feedback. Potential safety concerns. Price. Overall, the world's first smart 40 watts laser cutter and engraver for woodworking presents an interesting concept, but thorough research and due diligence are essential before investing. Consider the points mentioned above, compare it to established options, and prioritize reliable information and responsible decision-making. Remember, the world first claim doesn't guarantee the best fit for your needs. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.